In this video, I will show you how to change your Roblox account age to 13+ if you accidentally entered the wrong birth date. If your Roblox account is currently under 13 years old, you'll have certain restrictions, including limited access to some experiences and features. If you entered the wrong birth date when creating your account, you may have noticed that you can't change it from the account settings, especially if the account has parental controls enabled. To request an age change, open your web browser and go to www.roblox.com/support. On the support form, enter the email address linked to your Roblox account. For what device are you having the problem on, select PC. Under the Help category, choose Age-based settings and Accounts with parental privileges, then select Change child age from the second drop-down menu. In the description box, write a message similar to this. Hi, when I created my Roblox account, I accidentally entered the wrong birth date. Could you please update my birth date to enter your correct birth date? Once you've filled out the form, click Continue. Complete the verification if prompted, and then click Submit. After submitting the request, Roblox may ask you to complete another verification. Once you finish it, a Roblox support chat window will appear. You can use this chat to speak directly with a support agent, explain that you entered the wrong birth date, and they will guide you through the process of resolving the issue. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.